cherishing the momentous occasion of felicitating and honoring our distinguished faculty member Dr. Jitendra Singh Beniwal, Professor of Horticulture, on the memorable day of his superannuation. We admire his dedication, determination, and diligence towards giving a new dimension and momentum to the development of horticulture in India. He had brought vision, desirable evidence, and deep understanding of the subject. Dr. Jitendra Singh Beniwal, son of late Sri Anup Singh and late Srimati Jhanvi Devi, was born in Jaipur, New Delhi, on February 8, 1966. He did his BSc Honours Agriculture in 1987, MSc Horticulture in 1990, and PhD Horticulture in 2001 from CCHU Hisar. He was awarded ICR Scholarship during BSc Honours Agriculture and University Merit Fellowship during MSc Horticulture. He participated in Junior National Handball Championship in 1986, and his team secured first position 4 times in State Handball Championship and participated twice in Inter-University Handball Championship. He was also active in students' politics and elected president Students' Union in academic session 1989-90. He qualified for ICR NET in horticulture discipline conducted by ASRB in 2001. Dr. Beniwal started his career as Senior Technical Assistant Horticulture for January 22, 1991 and continued on this post up to April 4, 2002. He further joined as Assistant Professor equivalent on April 5, 2002 and promoted to Associate Professor on April 5, 2011 and Professor on April 5, 2017. During service period, Dr. Beniwal also worked as Principal Scientist KVK Gene from March 11 to August 28, 2019 as Senior Coordinator KVK Bhiwani and KVK Fatehwad from December 23, 2022 to July 22, 2025. Dr. Beniwal taught various courses to UG and PG students of the university during his teaching career of almost 24 years. He guided various tutorial groups of UG students, 15 MSc students and 8 PhD students as major advisors, and 14 MSc students and 5 PhD students as co-major advisors, which reflects his enthusiasm for academic and scholarly pursuits. In research, he worked on various horticultural and flower crops, mainly grapes, marigold, chrysanthemum, radiolus and tuberose. He has developed 2 marigold varieties, namely Hisar Beauty and Hisar Chakri 2, and has also standardized package of practices for chrysanthemum cultivation. Dr. Beniwal has published more than 100 research papers in journals of national and international repute. He also published several articles, chapters in books, manuals, and delivered many radio and TV talks. Being competent, Dr. Beniwal in addition has served the university in different capacities. He worked twice as officer in charge hospitality of Faculty House and Kenny's Hostel from September 26, 2012 to November 3, 2014 and May 9, 2017 to September 21, 2018. He also worked as controlling officer landscape unit from February 6 to November 2, 2018 and also once in 2009. As he also worked as director Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Center of Excellence for Organic Farming from September 9 to 2019. September 9, 2019 to August 18, 2020. At present also he is additionally serving as Director cum Controlling Officer, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Center of Excellence for Organic Farming since July 22, 2025 until retirement date, that is tomorrow, February 28, 2026. Dr. Beniwal was married with Miss Sunita Elawat on November 18, 1991. The fortunate couple is blessed with one daughter, Dr. Neha Beniwal, and one son, Mr. Sachin Beniwal. Dr. Neha Beniwal is working as an engineer in Tesla, San Francisco, in Northern California of the United States of America. So I Mr. Sachin Beniwal is serving as software engineer in Google at Bangalore. We strongly feel that the interest of the department shall remain close to his heart in the years to come. For these notable achievements and serving the university for over 35 years, the faculty and staff of the Department of Horticulture feel delighted and honored honor to felicitate Professor Beniwal and hope that he will continue to give his counsel in our future endeavors. We heartily extend our best wishes to Professor Beniwal and his family members for a healthy, wealthy, pursuit and cheerful life. February 27 or 28, 2026, faculty and staff members, Department of Horticulture.
सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा कि आप यहाँ आए मेरी रिटायरमेंट पार्टी में। आपने शोभा बढ़ाई। आप मेरे लिए मेरी डेडिकेशन के लिए आप लोगों ने इतनी डेडिकेशन दिखाई। मैं ये मानता हूँ कि भाई आपका ज़्यादा मेरे पे आज वो है बात कि आप लोगों ने इस मौके पे शोभा बढ़ाई। अब मैं दूसरी जो बात करना चाहता हूँ, मैं यूनिवर्सिटी को धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ जिसने हमें रोजी रोटी दी। पहले हम पढ़े, पढ़ने के बाद हमने नौकरी ज्वाइन की और हमें इतने साल तक 44 साल तक यहाँ जो हमारा सब कुछ परिवार जो है कोई यूनिवर्सिटी की वजह
पोती की बेटी है और आंटी की बेटा बेटा नहीं, मेरी तो आंटी जी है ना। मैडम जी, बेटी अब्दुल्ली और अर्जुन, तो बहुत ही खुशी का मौका है। डॉक्टर साहब दोनों बड़े अच्छी हेल्थ के साथ दोनों कर्जदार हैं। इन्होंने बहुत कुछ जो है ना इंजॉय किया लाइफ में, और ऐसे नहीं इंजॉय किया इन्होंने, ये जो ना मैं तो इनको अपन मोला ही मानता रहा हूँ कभी से स्टूडेंट लाइफ से, क्योंकि भी देखते थे वहाँ जो ना जो थी वो कनेक्टिंग जो ना हॉस्टल के रूम के साथ। Felicitation to Dr. Devendra Singh Dahiya, Professor Horticulture and former ASW. We, the faculty and staff of the Department of Horticulture, are cherishing the momentous occasion of felicitating and honoring our distinguished faculty member, Dr. Devendra Singh Dahiya, on the memorable day of his superannuation. Dr. Devendra Singh Dahiya, son of Sri Dilwar Singh Dahiya and Srimati Phoolpati, was born in Rohtak on March 1, 1966. Dr. Dahiya displayed academic brilliance from the very beginning. He completed his BSc Honours Agriculture in 1986, MSc Horticulture in 1988 and PhD Horticulture in 2000 from CCSU Hisar. He secured first position in MSc and PhD program, achieving outstanding academic distinctions. His scholarly excellence laid a strong foundation for a professional journey marked by discipline, integrity and commitment. Beyond academics, he has been the national squash player in 1989 and best squash racket player of the university in 1988. He was also an active member of the mountaineering club and participated in high altitude trekking programs at Dharamshala in Darjeeling. He began his professional career as BS Horticulture at KSP Sonepur on October 12, 1989 and served there until October 31, 1999. He then continued as BS Horticulture at KGP Rohtak from November 1, 1991 to December 31, 1995 and subsequently in the senior scale from January 1, 1996 to May 8, 1996. He was appointed as Assistant Professor Senior Scale at College of Agriculture Call from May 9, 1996 to June 30, 1997. And thereafter served in the Department of Horticulture from July 1, 1997 to September 29, 2000. Dr. Dahiya was promoted to Associate Professor on September 30, 2000 and Professor on September 30, 2008. Dr. Dahiya was also Project Investigator of Institutional Development Program of National Agricultural Higher Education Program in ICR World Bank Project. He was selected as GSP and served there from August 13, 2018 to August 12, 2022. During his tenure, the university achieved a historic milestone by receiving the NSS National Presidential Unit Program Officer Award for Youth Development in 2021, the first ever such honor in the history of HU. Additionally, 4 NSS volunteers received National Presidential Award and 1 volunteer received the National Award for Community Services. Dr. Dahiya organized several vaccination and COVID-19 testing camps for students, employees and faculty members as controlling officer, campus hospital. Being specialist in floriculture and landscaping, he contributed exceptionally in improving the landscaping of the campus as the controlling officer landscape unit. Notably, he served as Dean College of Horticulture and as a member of the Board of Management at Maharana Pratap Horticulture Institute, Kalla. Dr. Dahiya has published 54 research papers in reputed journals and 26 research papers in conference proceedings. He has authored 2 books and contributed 2 book chapters, thus enriching the horticultural literature. He has been serving as an editor of Haryana Journal of Horticultural Sciences since 2012 for maintaining high academic standards and promoting quality research. In 2002, he participated at the 25th International Horticulture Congress and exhibition held in Toronto, Canada. He also visited the United Kingdom, Australia, Thailand and the UAE for broadening his global exposure. He guided 7 PhD scholars and 10 MSc students as named advisor and served on advisory committees of research scholars for shaping their academic pursuits. His wife, Professor Manju Dahiya, is serving as Associate Director in the Directorate of Research at CCHU. The evergreen couple is blessed with a daughter, Ms. Ginni, and a son, Mr. Arjun, who are serving proficiently in the corporate sector and have established themselves professionally with phenomenal successes. We strongly feel that the interest of the department shall remain close to his heart in the years to come. For these distinguished achievements and serving the university for over 36 years, the faculty and staff of the Department of Horticulture feel privileged and honored to felicitate Professor Dahiya and hope that he will continue to give his counsel in our future endeavors. We heartily extend our best wishes to Professor Dahiya and his family members for a healthy, wealthy, peaceful and cherished life. February 28, 2026. Faculty and staff members, Department of Horticulture.
लड़कियों का सिर्फ वो होते थे फिल्म उस दिन खेलते थे बाकी दिन खाते रहता था मजाक को ये सबसे बढ़िया इस दिन दोनों बैठ के वहां खेलने दो बाकी हम खेलेंगे छुट्टी वाले दिन हम दिन में जुट जाते सवेरे जुट जाते और 1 साल में मैंने किया पहले डॉक्टर साहब के साथ जो मेरी इंटरेक्शन थी हम स्टूडेंट्स क्योंकि मेरा भी बहुत लंबा मैं 83 में आया डॉक्टर साहब 82 में आए लेकिन जो ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन हुई वो एमएससी में करके हमारी बहुत ज्यादा हुई और दूसरा तो मैं 123 में था 99 में उनके सामने ये इंडिया ग्रुप इकट्ठा बैठता था इकट्ठे ताश खेलते थे इकट्ठे रहते थे सारे जुड़े हुए थे कोई इंडिया ग्रुप कहते थे अलग अलग थे कोई मुसलमान था ऐसे इनका था तो बड़ी अच्छी इंटरेक्शन होती थी और फिर डिपार्टमेंट में उसके बाद मैं जीन चला गया वापस आया तो मैंने कहा डॉक्टर साहब कहाँ बैठे उन्होंने बोला रो में यही लगा दे सीट तो डॉक्टर सदावत ये बैठते थे तो मैं ना 2 थे मैं बताता हूँ किस्सा तो 2 थे मैंने लगा नहीं इतने अगले साल डॉक्टर अनिल गुप्ता
because something so meaningful has been lived so fully. For 36 years, Papa, Dr. Devendra Singh Dahiya, has given himself to this institution. He didn't just carry titles, he carried responsibility, he carried people. While we are very aware of his academic excellence, because those speak loudly on their own, thank you uncle and sirs for sharing so many experiences that you had with my dad. I want to speak as his daughter and of my learnings of him. In short, it's your report card, Papa. One thing that I have always told myself is the fierceness in me comes from you. Every new step I take in life, somewhere in my mind there is this belief, कुछ अच्छा ही होगा, कुछ अच्छा ही निकलेगा. You never approached life with fear, you approached it with clear intention. Second thing I learned from you is how to see people and value them. That quality of looking beyond flaws and still choosing kindness is rare. And then there is your love for sports. With Mama, you made sure Arjun and I were just not academically inclined but also physically active, disciplined and independent. Sports, dance for me, didn't just give us exposure, it gave us resilience. It taught us how to win with grace and lose with strength. And because of all, it has made us confident and free individuals. Thank you, Papa. I want to tell you something clearly. You deserve this. You have always nurtured growth in plants, in students, and in family. And now it's time to nurture yourself. We are proud of your achievements, but more than that, we are proud of the man you are. And we celebrate you today and always. Thank you, Papa. Not to mention, your report card says extraordinary.
I'd like to tell you one thing, that this is just another phase passing by and another checkpoint crossing, and we are blessed to have you, and life is more fun now because we will get to spend more time with you. I will like to tell everyone that apart from his service, he has worked with so many NGOs, he has served the country in so many ways. Like there are more than 15 to 20 NGOs जिनके बारे में मेरे को ही पता है, जिनके साथ ही अभी भी मतलब एसोसिएटेड है।
घर में सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे बारे में या तो ये 8वें दिन था रिटायरमेंट का, इसलिए थोड़ा बहुत शुगर और कोटिंग कर दी। और यहाँ एफयू की जर्नी और डिपार्टमेंट की जर्नी दोनों ही बहुत अच्छी रही।